Namaste friends, welcome back to the Sarthi Technology. In this video we will create one broadcast receiver for the Wi-Fi P2P broadcast. So again I am requesting you to watch previous videos for the theory part because theory part is almost same and I have briefly explained that theory in the previous videos. That's why I am just focusing on the practical only. So for the theory part you need to watch previous videos. Okay, so for the broadcast we will just create one class here. So right click, new and Java class. Class name will be Wi-Fi direct broadcast receiver. Okay, press enter and here we will extend broadcast receiver. Now press alt enter here and implement methods. The only method that we need to implement is on receive. So okay, now here we need to create three objects. So first is private Wi-Fi P2P manager and name will be manager. Second is Wi-Fi P2P manager dot channel here, and the last is activity. So activity is main activity and name will be activity. Now we need to create one constructor. So control alt insert. Okay, alt insert and select this constructor, select all three and OK. Now the constructor is ready, and in this on receive we need to create one string object. So string name will be action, intent dot get action. Okay, so using this intent we will get the action and save in this action object. Now if Wi-Fi P2P manager dot Wi-Fi P2P state change action dot equals action else if Wi-Fi P2P manager dot Wi-Fi P2P peer change action dot equals Wi-Fi P2P manager dot Wi-Fi P2P connection change action dot equals action. Okay, so we need these three in our project. So the first will be notify about Wi-Fi state. So it will check to see if Wi-Fi is enabled and notify appropriate activity. The second will be used for it will call when we request a new peer of Wi-Fi manager. Okay, so it will get the list of current peers. Now the last is connection change. So it will respond to new connection or disconnection. Now in the main activity we need to create objects and Wi-Fi P2P manager Wi-Fi P2P manager dot channel broadcast receiver, that is receiver. Now create one intent filter. So we have this 4 objects. So in this initial work, what we need to do, just initialize manager equal to Wi-Fi P2P manager get system service context dot Wi-Fi P2P service, channel equal to manager dot initialize, first is this get main looper and null. Okay, now receiver equal to new Wi-Fi direct broadcast receiver, and first we will provide manager, channel and this. Okay, now for the intent filter equal to new intent filter. Now we need to add action for this 3 intents. Okay, so first is intent filter dot add action Wi-Fi P2P manager dot Wi-Fi P2P state change action. Second is peer change action. Correction change. Okay, so state change, peer change and correction change. Now we need to register the receiver in the on resume and unregister in the on pause. So here press Ctrl O, on resume, and here register receiver, same for the on pause, Ctrl O, on pause, and here unregister receiver and receiver. So in this video what we have done, we have created this broadcast receiver, and in the main activity we have created these objects and register and unregistered broadcast receiver. Okay, so I'm just stopping this discussion here. In the next video we will continue this topic, and meanwhile please subscribe this channel, like this video and also share this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.